Right, so I realized I'm gonna have to remove the door panels on this little car, so thought I'd do a real quick video on how to not damage them, to take them off. The trick is to use a putty knife. The reason is something narrow can do more damage. Something wider won't damage it as much. So all I do is I put this in here, I feel along. I'll feel right where the clip is and pry up. Feel along right where the clip is so that you're prying right on the clip. And usually when you use this tool, you're not going to damage it. Sometimes you're going to get ones that are a little tougher and you might need to get a screwdriver, but you're going to know right where it is and then shove the screwdriver underneath, right underneath the clip, if you can see where the edge of this putty knife is. But generally they have also a little bit stiffer one that's called a 5-in-1. If you've ever seen one of those, those 5-in-1 knives, or they have a stiffer one like this, that helps too. But something wide usually does less damage. And then removing these is always hard to do because you have to hold this in and then knock that pin. And a lot of times you're going to damage the rings because they're old and brittle. And you can buy new ones pretty cheap. I mean, it's always nice to have the original ones, but sometimes they just don't make it. Alright, so that's just a little video on how to remove your door panels safely. It's most cars, even not even Volkswagens, use this tool right here. Talk to you next video.